Hello. Today I'll be showing you how to access the database Statista. Statista is a global data and business intelligence platform offering insights into 70 million public and private companies. It offers many company reports and infographics. This database is helpful for finding statistical data, market data, social trends, economic indicators, industry-specific data, consumer behavior, demographic data, and more. This database is helpful if you are in a research or marketing class. So step 1 is to visit Bewley Library's website. The next step is to go to Find a Database and search the database Statista. Next, you are going to press Go. This will bring you to Statista's database. So, for example, in my marketing class, we are working on a research paper about a company of our choice. For example, we use the company Tesla. One of the points we had to research about our company was industry growth. So I'm going to go down here and search Tesla industry growth. Press search, and I'm going to use this link. A useful link to use in this case was Tesla's vehicle production by quarter. This shows data about the production of Tesla vehicles ranging from quarter 1 2016 to quarter 4 2024. In this case, I was able to use this data to help complete my assignment. The next step is to cite your sources. So to cite your sources, you are going to go down to citation formats. You're going to press View Options, and you are going to see different formats ranging from APA, Chicago, Harvard, MLA, Blue Book, and this one. So that's how you cite your sources, and you can copy and paste this and put it in your citation area in your report. So next I'm going to go over a new feature called Research AI. So for example, let's search, can you help me find consumer demographics for the iPhone? Press Get Insights. And this is using this AI tool, it will generate valid information throughout its database, bringing all the information into one place with its sources underneath where it's getting its information. So you could use this information in your report, but you have to make sure you cite your sources afterwards. So the key benefits to Statista are it brings reliable resources, trustworthy resources for academic research. Next, the visualizations are easy to understand using charts and graphs. The citation tools are simple, and there are tools to help students properly cite their sources. Lastly, there's a broad coverage. It covers a range of topics, making it useful for students in many different fields. So I hope this database will help you throughout your semester, and will help you throughout your projects and reports. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps.